Why do some of you guys cut the evap coils out to put little fan-powered humidifiers in? Like, this is so dumb. Especially when, like, there's all this room right here. Like, you know what'll look good right there? A little bypass humidifier. A little... I can put a 6-inch hole right there. Watch. Just watch. Get all the low bolt off. I'll get this dump pipe out of here.
So the humidifier would go on its own unit terminal on this one.
Yeah. Dump all that.
She's a rotted.
That's off. Take that old.
Push it out, pull.
If you lift the coil,
You want to push it?
I'll pull it out. You lift the coil up.
Can I let it drop?
Yep. That's cool. That ain't going nowhere. Alright. Got our new one. Got our air cleaner. Do the riser kit on there. We'll do a bottom flow and a side flow. And we got some furnace feet. And some other miscellaneous things to deal with. Little humidifier. Shouldn't be bad. Let's go knock it out. We got the riser on. Let's get our rack on. Get that cut out. Put our rack on. Get our little risers. Since we're in a basement here, you know, don't want the bottom of my cabinet rotting out. We got some electrical work to do here. Shouldn't be too bad today. Swap that out. Fix this. Put a little screw in there too. That way you know it ain't going nowhere. And you're totally cool because of where you're at in the track. You get it. Gotta notch the little pieces though so they sit nice and flush. You push. Oh. I'm hooked on here. Hang on. All right, come here. Push forward. Woo! What do you think of that? That was a direct fit. I always gotta make a transition. Nice. Love it. Not bad, not bad. Getting the electric done. Get the last little adapter in. Get that gas line done. Put a new pump in. Get this all patched up. Coming along. Almost done. Told you. Way better. He gets the water line in. Got the condo pump, gas line done. Got some vent pipe to do. Some duct sealing to do. Patch this up. Not bad, not bad. A little raggedy right now, but we're almost done. What time is it? Oh, look at that. It's only 12. Look at that. We're doing great. We're almost done. We'll be out of here. We'll be out of here by 2. Alright. You gotta get our vent holes going. Oh yeah. Saved me a brick. So I can, you know, and go boop boop. Hope that's enough. It should be. Got that patched up. Way better. Way better. I've been running like a champ too. Nice. There you go. All done. The vent pipe kind of sucked. I couldn't go out anywhere over there because of the dang windows on the top floor. This is like the only side of the home with no windows. It made it just quick and easy. Right on. And you know you gotta have the little company sticker, baby. Alright, on to the next.